Hi everyone, Jesslyn here with Sluts. Today we're going to talk a little bit about Marketing 101, and this is the first mini demo of many to come. So just go ahead and grab a pen and a piece of paper, and let's go ahead and delve into some great marketing tips to set yourself up for success later on. So these are also the steps that I am following along for my own brand. So I know they work, and you know what? You can tweak them so they work for you, your brand, your product, and everything you're looking to do for your company. So first of all, when starting, I see a lot of questions of how do you choose a name? Can you help me choose a name? Right now, especially for candles, soap companies, for us makers, it is difficult to find something that is very unique that someone else already doesn't have. I know when I was starting my brand, it was very, very hard. I spent weeks just jotting down ideas, looking up synonyms for other words such as light, bright, glow, just trying to be unique. So one of the first things that you're definitely going to try to hone in on is that you want to find something that is unique for your brand and what you're trying to produce. So what is it that you want your brand to be? Do you want it to be an all-natural brand? Do you want it to be somewhat of a hippie vibe? Do you want it to be nostalgic? Like, what are you going for? Are you going for just baked goods? So right there, you just need to narrow it down, and that might help you choose out a name. So if you're doing a baked goods only candle line, you can come up with baked good names that come off and play with your name even. One of the key points, though, to remember is that you want to make it simple. Simple is key. So you want to make sure it is memorable for those people that are looking to buy something from your product, or buy something from your line, I should say. You want to make it memorable. What stands out? What is different? Hence Sluts. Like, it is such a unique marketing tip. Of course, it will scare a lot of people away because they see the word sluts in it and they're like, oh, this has to be X-rated or something. And, you know, that's fine. I have come to terms with that in my mind. But it also is very marketing proactive, especially for my fragrance oil group here. You know, if you love scents, if you love to smell things, this is perfect. You automatically know, oh, Slut and Foho. Oh my gosh, I am one of those. So that's where my niche is. Now, where is your niche? That's where it starts, with a name. Also, make sure that you have a name that is easily spelled and cannot be confused with other brands. So the last thing we want to do is confuse it with other brands. So if you type it in for your domain, for your website, it takes you to a different website because maybe that domain wasn't available. So you definitely want to do your due diligence, make sure a domain is available. Also look in your state to make sure that the LLC is available. I will do another video of how to do your LLC as well. But these are just basic tips to choose your name. Make sure it's easy spelling, make sure it has a ring to it, and it provides the brand right in one split second. If you are a candle company, you don't want to limit yourself to Jesslyn's Candle Co. Because what if later on I figure out candles work great, but I want to delve into soap? All right, now I just limited myself with my name. So you want to make sure Jesslyn's Company. I'm just using that. Of course, that's horrible. I would never use that, but you want to make it so you can branch out. You never know where your company is going to lead you, especially if you want to branch out further and hopefully create this as your full-time opportunity and your full-time job. So, number one, make it simple. Number two, make sure you're brand conscious so that you're following along with your brand and what you maybe want to do, and that might be a Clean Candles Co. If you definitely want to do candles, you want to make sure that they're green Candles Co. I'm just thinking of very simple ones that are probably already taken, but that's where you need to start. Make sure the spelling isn't extravagant and different, and make sure you have fun with it and have a niche. All right, that's the end of Marketing 101, Phase 1. Thank you so much for being here, and have a happy Sluts day, and make sure you join the Facebook group and subscribe if you haven't already. All right, everyone, have a wonderful day. Bye.